Hello friends, this video on grade 6 CBSE Algebra Part 2 is brought to you from CrackMath. Crack your problem. So now, what is algebra? The part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulae and equation. Okay. Now, assume on to your higher classes, you would see that there are certain problems which are not only so simple that they only solve with numbers. Let me give an example in this case, a problem which cannot be solved only with numbers. Okay. This is your elder sister and this is you. Now we are discussing about your ages. Okay. Let's see that elder sister says that the younger sister is 7 years younger than her. She says that she is 7 years younger than me. Okay, perfect. She also says I will be 17 years old after 5 years. Now she is not clearly telling what was her current age. She is also not telling how old her sister was, right? She is only telling that she is 7 years younger to me and after 5 years my age will be 17, right? These are the only two relationships which is given in this problem. Now you have to find the current ages of the two sisters. I don't say that you cannot do it only with numbers. You can do it with numbers also. This is just one example of a problem, but when these type of problem became more complex, let's say that instead of second statement, she says that after 5 years, my age will be 2 times my sister's age. In those kind of complex situation, it become more difficult, right? It become more difficult to only deal with numbers. Only by addition and subtraction, multiplication of a number, you cannot solve it. For complex problem solving, we make use of these alphabets and we assume those alphabets have certain value and then we solve the entire problem. Okay. So let us look at this case. In this problem, how do we approach it? How do we approach it this case? Let's assume that current age of the elder sister be x. Okay. So here x is not a number. It is an alphabet, right? X is not a number. It's an alphabet. But we consider x as a number. We consider x as a number because we assuming that the age of elder sister be x. And therefore, as per the problem, what would be the younger sister age? She is 7 years older than me. The elder sister said, right? So her age would be x minus 7. Is it right? So it's x minus 7. So here x and x minus 7, we assumed that. But in order to solve the problem, we need to find the value of x. Okay. Here it says that after 5 years, her age would be, the age of the elder sister would be x plus 5, right? So x plus 5. In this problem, it is given that her age would be 17 after 5 years. So x plus 5 is equal to 17. We build an algebraic equation, right? We build an algebraic equation because it has a variable, a constant, and an equality sign. So it's an algebraic equation. By solving these equation, we can get the value of x. Okay, when we get the value of x, our problem is solved. That's right. So this is an example to tell you that why do we need algebra to solve the problem and how do we use algebra to solve the problem. Okay, so remaining will be continued in the upcoming classes. Keep watching.